Everybody, Cody with another demo here. I wanted to show Aloft in this tutorial video because I think it's super important for gaining authorizations as well as for yourself as well as clients. So there's a couple other ways that you could do this. So inside of custom missions, when you are actually creating a custom mission for a client, you can go in and create almost like a proposal for them, right? So go in and you can type in the address of the shoot. This will then pull in all of the information for airspace authorizations that you need, and more details will show up inside of your client detail page once it's in there, or your missions details. So again, you can go through and see that immediately. There's another way that once your clients are booking you, so I'm going to log out as a pilot. So now I'm a client, say on your page. Once they go through and they actually want to start a mission, they can then put in the address as well of the shoot, and it will automatically show up as well inside of their booking flow for what the airspace is. And then that will also be put inside of your mission details so that you know exactly what airspace you are in when flying.